Hi, my name is Brian, and I've been with LifeVantage for over 7 years. LifeVantage is the maker of breakthrough products such as Protandim Nerf 2 Synergizer and our award-winning Vitality Stack. You may have seen LifeVantage products, especially Protandim, for sale on Amazon and eBay, and you may be wondering, is this legitimate product and is it safe? The short answer is that you are taking a huge risk by buying these products from Amazon and eBay. Buying Protandim from Amazon and eBay is like buying your medications from a yard sale. The products on Amazon and eBay are not sold directly by those companies. They're being sold by illegitimate third-party sellers who have acquired the product through illegitimate means. It does not matter what the reviews say about the seller, those can be fake. Amazon and eBay are great websites to buy durable goods, but it's never a good idea to buy supplements such as LifeVantage products on Amazon or eBay, and let me tell you why that is. First of all, much of the product on Amazon and eBay has been found to be counterfeit. Protandim has become such a popular product that counterfeiters are selling cleverly disguised bottles with a substance that is not Protandim inside. You see, LifeVantage periodically will buy product from Amazon to determine where it came from. They have found that much of what is being sold on Amazon is not authentic product. Secondly, if the product being sold is actually authentic Protandim product, what you actually receive from these illegitimate sellers may not have been stored properly. It may be expired product, or worse yet, it may have been tampered with. These are naturally based products that need to be handled as such. Buying something that you ingest from an illegitimate source over the internet that you don't know is not wise. Your health is not worth saving just a few bucks. Thirdly, buying from these illegitimate sellers can hurt legitimate sellers like LifeVantage independent distributors. You don't want to support illegal or unethical behavior, would you? When you purchase through an independent distributor website, the product is immediately shipped directly by LifeVantage Corporation, so you know you are getting authentic product that is fresh and guaranteed by the company. You also would have a support team who can help you answer questions about your health and keep you apprised of other product developments. You can't get that with Amazon or eBay. LifeVantage Corporation strictly forbids their products from being sold through Amazon and eBay and is working with those companies to locate and shut down any illegitimate third-party sellers of LifeVantage products. It is against the rules for independent distributors to sell product on Amazon and eBay, and it is against the rules to sell products to third-party sellers who sell those products on those websites. Distributorships can and are being terminated when the company determines that this is happening with any single distributorship. If you see LifeVantage products being sold on any third-party website, chances are the LifeVantage Compliance Department is already working to take that product off those illegitimate websites. But you can send an email to compliance@lifevantage.com to report anything you might find online. If you are an independent distributor with LifeVantage, please share this video with anyone who asks why they shouldn't buy Protandim from any website that is not a distributor website. Secondly, don't search for Protandim or LifeVantage on Amazon, as that will increase the popularity of those products on that website. Also, be assured that the few customers who decide to save a few bucks and put their health at risk are minimal compared to a majority of people who are smart and buy directly from the company through your distributor website. Thank you so much for watching.